Hey, what's going on guys? Rahul here from TechView, and in this video you will learn some cool AirPods Pro tips, tricks and hidden features that you might not be knowing about. So without further ado, let's get started with the first tips, tricks for AirPods Pro users. Number 1. Use ear tip fit test for a perfect fit. The AirPods Pro has a nifty feature called ear tip fit test. This feature basically allows you to get the most perfect fit possible for your ears so that no sound gets leaked due to loose fitting of ear tips. To run the test, go to settings, then tap on Bluetooth, and then under the My Devices section, you will see your AirPods Pro. First, make sure that the AirPods Pro is connected to your iPhone, and once it is connected, tap on the eye icon near your AirPods Pro. It will open the AirPods Pro settings page, and there you simply need to select ear tip fit test. Then tap on continue and then the play icon to start the test. Number 2. Noise control features. I don't know whether you know this or not, but your AirPods Pro has noise control feature that consists of two distinct modes. Number 1. Active noise cancellation, which cancels out external noises, and number 2. Transparency mode, which lets in all external sounds so that you can hear what's going on around you. You can toggle through these modes by either pressing and holding on the stem of an AirPod or through the control center on your iPhone. Additionally, you can also toggle and remap the noise control triggers by going to the AirPods Pro settings menu as I previously mentioned. Number 3. Customize the control of your AirPods Pro. Next AirPods Pro tips tricks is about customizing the control of your AirPods Pro. The controls of the AirPods Pro can be customized to suit your audio playback needs. Simply go to settings menu of the AirPods Pro and change the options under the press and hold AirPods section according to your preference. Number 4. Use your AirPods Pro as a hearing aid. You can also use your AirPods Pro as a hearing aid by making use of the Conversation Boost feature. This feature turns your AirPods Pro into a hearing aid by boosting the sound of the person speaking with you. To set up Conversation Boost, go to settings, then accessibility settings, and there you need to scroll down until you see hearing settings options. Under hearing, select audio or visual, and on the next page under audio, turn on headphone accommodations. After that, scroll down and select transparency mode and toggle the switch next to Conversation Boost to turn it on. Now whenever you are in transparency mode, this feature will boost the sound of the person you are talking to. Further, you may also adjust the amplification level, customize the transparency balance to the left or right channel, and boost the face-to-face conversation sound. But please note that you have to have the latest firmware on your AirPods Pro to get access to this feature. If you are traveling outside without having access to a charging point and you want to save your AirPods Pro battery, but at the same time you need to urgently use it, then there is a good news for you. Thankfully, in such a scenario, you can simply use one AirPod tip to save battery instead of using both. To do so, keep the one in the case and use the other one to handle your calls or other audio. Immerse yourself in the content by using spatial audio. AirPods Pro supports spatial audio, which is a 360-degree sound effect that makes you feel immersed in the movie you are watching or the audio you are listening to. To enable it, simply head over to settings, then Bluetooth, and under your AirPods Pro settings, enable spatial audio. But please note that you have to have the latest firmware on your AirPods Pro to get access to this feature. With AirPods Pro, Siri is always active. Just say, "Hey Siri," and then continue to say your command. Siri can change the volume of the playback, can control what track is being played, can send a message on your behalf, announce who is calling, can read your latest messages, and do much more. Number 8. Use the Find My app to find lost AirPods. If you ever lost your AirPods Pro, you can locate your lost AirPods by using the Find My app on your iPhone. The only limitation is that your AirPods Pro should have been paired to your device at least once previously. To locate lost AirPods, open the Find My app, then tap on Devices and tap on your AirPods Pro in the list. If you think your AirPods are close by, then tap on the play sound option. If they are not nearby, Then use the directions option to navigate to your lost AirPods. Another cool AirPods Pro tips tricks is about renaming your AirPods Pro to your liking. Yes, you can rename your AirPods Pro to whatever you like. You can do so by simply going to settings, then under Bluetooth, tap the eye icon next to your connected AirPods Pro. This will take you to the AirPods Pro settings, and there you need to tap on the name and edit the name to your liking. Once you are done with the renaming, tap on Done and the name of your AirPods Pro is changed now. Number 10. Share your tunes with others. AirPods Pro lets you share your audio with other AirPod and Beats users. To share audio with others, go to the control center on your iPhone, then tap on the AirPlay icon for the audio that is currently playing, then tap Share Audio. Here you will see any available AirPods or Beats devices that are nearby. Also, you will simply need to tap on the tick mark besides the other AirPods or Beats headphones. This will simply start sharing the audio with others. Number 11. Check your AirPods Pro firmware version. A lot of AirPods Pro users don't know that Apple automatically updates AirPods Pro firmware version. But if you think your AirPods Pro is running on an older version, then you can also check what version your AirPods Pro is currently running on. To check the firmware version of your AirPods Pro, go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and scroll down until you find your AirPods Pro. Then tap on that. It should now show you a list of important info along with the current firmware version. Well, that's pretty much for this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more such updates. And the next video you need to watch is about Apple Music tips, tricks and hidden features that you can watch by clicking here. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.